Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best mini PC that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. HP ProDesk 405G4 Desktop Mini PC. Anyone who's ever used a Hewlett-Packard machine will be happy to know that their Mini PCs can keep pace with their laptop and desktop PCs. It's also proof that if you need a Mini PC on a budget, the use of AMD processors is a perfectly feasible choice. Both a Ryzen 5 CPU and a Radeon GPU are included for some pretty respectable workplace performance and the capabilities to even run some less power-efficient software. Best of all, this mini PC has an incredibly compact design. With a weight of less than 2 pounds and a maximum dimension of 8 inches, it can easily be packed in your bag and hidden away from your desk. If you want an entry-level mini PC that really bridges the gap between portability, price, and functionality, you could do worse than this mini PC. At number 4. Asus Chromebox 3N017U Mini PC. With both focusing on the ability to provide quality performance with low pricing and portability in mind, Chromebooks and mini PCs seem like a match made in heaven. And if all of them were built like the Asus Chromebox, they would be. The sMaLlRt processor isn't the best we've ever seen, but it's very fair for the budget price range, and it's more than enough to handle most of the apps that can run on Chrome OS natively. And while this mini PC uses an integrated graphics card, it's still capable enough of playing video in 4K UHD resolution. And with the Chrome OS interface, you can set up some very precise configurations. Whether you're looking to expand on your video editing rig, create a media server for your home, or create a kid-accessible way to get on the internet and watch videos, all the tools are here. At number 3. sMaLlRt Fanless Mini PC. For a lot of users, having a mini PC is all about getting the basic fundamentals of a PC without having to spend much money. The Godzilla will fit that bill. Its lightweight specs means that it can maintain a tiny form factor, and it doesn't even need to use a fan, so you can count on it to run quietly and efficiently without the risk of overheating. But perhaps the best factor here is the fact that it retails for right around $100. And while the specs here are far from the best we've ever seen, Godzilla has taken some smart steps to ensure that there's still room to grow without having to raise the price tag. The storage is a little light, but it's easy to expand upon it with a simple USB drive. It even comes with Windows Pro installed and ready to go. At number 2. Acer Chromebox Mini PC. The Acer Chromebox is a model that runs on the Chrome OS, but unlike many other models that bear the Chromebox moniker, they're more about performance than about savings. The Core i7 chip goes well above the standards of even many of the best mini PC models, and if you really want to make the most of the specs here, running a dual boot of Linux is actually highly recommended here. It's actually a pretty beefy PC once you look past the self-made limitations. That i7 processor also means this ranks among the best mini PC gaming models around, although it could get a little bottlenecked by the inclusion of an integrated rather than discrete graphics processor. The Chromebox is small enough to attach to the rear of your monitor and stay out of sight, and fast and secure enough to serve as a dedicated office PC. And finally at number 1. HP Pavilion Wave Compact Desktop Computer. The Pavilion series from HP has an expansive grip on the market, covering everything from gaming rigs to productivity machines, but the one thing all of these models, including the Pavilion Wave Compact, share is their overall quality. The design here is a far cry from most desktop PCs, and most mini PCs for that matter. Created to work as both a speaker and a PC, it operates admirably as both. And the understated form factor means that it will fit aesthetically in practically any space. In short, you can think of this model as a supercharged alternative to a traditional voice assistant speaker like the Amazon Echo Dot. But the specs here go well beyond you'd expect from a home speaker. The i5 processor makes this a best choice for everyone from gamers to professionals, but it can also serve backup as a great media playing platform. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.